Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Infigyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting radical equation which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get it started straight away by writing RHS cube root of 3 cube. 3 cube is 27, so cube root of 3 cube plus cube root of, we'll take minus common from the radicand. So in other bracket we need to write 28 minus x. Cube root and cube will get over. We will get 3 plus cube root of minus 1 can be written as minus 1 whole cube times 28 minus x will be equal to 3 plus cube root of minus 1 whole cube times cube root of 28 minus x. Now we can cancel cube root and cube. So we are going to get RHS 3 minus cube root of 28 minus x. Now we can take this minus term to left hand side. So we are going to get cube root of x cube minus 4 plus cube root of 3 plus x minus x cube plus cube root of 28 minus x equal to 3. Now we'll be using substitutions. Let's say first cube root equal to a, second cube root equal to b, third cube root equal to c. So we can write our first equation a plus b plus c equal to 3. Now if cube root x cube minus 4 equal to a, then we can write a cube will be x cube minus 4. If cube root x cube minus 4, if this is equal to a, after cubing both sides, we will get x cube minus 4 will be equal to a cube. Similarly, this is b cube, radicand part only. So I can write here 3 plus x minus x cube will be equal to b cube. And if I will write c cube value, then it is 28 minus x. Now we are going to add these three equations. Let's add. Plus and minus x cube will get over. Plus x minus x will get over. 28 plus 3 is 31 minus 4 is 27. So we can write our second equation a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 27. Equation number 2. If I will write our first equation here, then a plus b plus c equal to 3. Our first equation. Now we'll be cubing both sides of equation 1. So we'll write here power 3, power 3. Now we'll use a plus b plus c whole cube identity, which we can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3 times a plus b times b plus c times c plus a, and RHS is 3 cube, which we will write 27. Now from equation number 2, this is also 27. Now we will subtract 27 from both the sides. So we will get 3 times a plus b times b plus c times c plus a equal to 0. Now we'll use product 0 rule, and we can write either a plus b equal to 0 or b plus c equal to 0 or c plus a equal to 0. So from here we'll get a equal to minus b From this equation, b will be equal to minus c. And from last equation, c will be equal to minus a. Now we'll be cubing both sides. So I will write here power 3, whole power 3, cube, 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 and cube. So we can write a cube will be equal to minus of b cube. From second equation, we'll write b cube equal to minus of c cube. And from third equation, c cube will be equal to minus of a cube. Now we have a cube, b cube, c cube. Let me write here. A cube is x cube minus 4. B cube is 3 plus x minus x cube. And c cube is 28 minus x. Now we have to put all the values here, here, and in the equation third, c cube equal to minus a cube. So let us begin from here. We'll write a cube equal to minus b cube. So a cube is x cube minus 4 minus of b cube 3 plus x minus x cube, which will be equal to x cube minus x minus 3, and in LHS x cube minus 4. Now we can subtract x cube from both the sides. We'll get minus 4 equal to minus x minus 3. Now we can take minus x to the LHS and minus 4 to the RHS. So x will be equal to 4 minus 3. Here we have our first real solution, x equal to 1. Now we will take up b cube equal to minus c cube. So let me write here b cube equal to minus of c cube. B cube is 3 plus x minus x cube minus of c cube is 28 minus x, or we can write 3 plus x minus x cube equal to x minus 28. Now we can subtract x from both the sides. Now we'll take minus x cube to the RHS, minus 28 to the LHS. So we will write 3 plus 28 equal to x cube. So x cube will be equal to 31, which we can write cube root of 31 whole cube. Now we will shift all the terms to LHS, x cube minus cube root of 31 whole cube. Here we can use a cube minus b cube formula, which we know a minus b. So a is x minus b is cube root of 31. A minus b is done. Times, in other bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. So x square plus cube root 31x, this is ab, plus b square, so cube root of 31 whole square equal to 0. Now we'll use product 0 rule. So we can write here two equations. Either x minus cube root of 31 equal to 0, or x square plus cube root of 31 times x plus cube root of 31 whole square. This must be 0. If I will check discriminant value here for the second equation, d will be equal to b square minus 4ac. So we can write here cube root 31 whole square minus 4 times 1 times cube root of 31 whole square. So 1 times cube root 31 square minus 4 times cube root 31 square. We are going to get negative discriminant. Once discriminant is negative, our solutions must be complex. So we can reject the second quadratic equation. Now we have to solve first equation. From here we'll get our second real solution, cube root 31. So we have two solutions, x equal to 1, the very first. And here if I will write 1 comma cube root of 31. Now we have third equation, c cube equal to minus a cube. C cube is 28 minus x. Minus of a cube is x cube minus 4. Now we will write 28 minus x equal to minus x cube plus 4. We'll write all the terms to LHS. We'll get x cube. Then we have minus x. 28 minus 4 is 24 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation. We can think about method of factorization. So I will write here x cube. Now minus x can be written as minus 9x plus 8x. Minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. Then we have plus 24 equal to 0. Now from first two terms, we can take x common out. So we will get here x square minus 9. From next two terms, we can take 8 common out. So we will get x plus 3 equal to 0. Now here we can use a square minus b square formula, as we can write 9 equal to 3 square. So x times x plus 3 times x minus 3 plus 8 times x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we have x plus 3 overall common. So we will get x plus 3 times, in other bracket we'll write x times x minus 3 plus 8 equal to 0. Or we'll be writing x plus 3 times x square minus 3x plus 8 equal to 0. We will use product 0 rule. So we can write either x plus 3 equal to 0 or x square minus 3x plus 8 equal to 0. So from first equation, we are going to get our third real solution, negative 3. And again, we are going to check discriminant value here. So d will be equal to b square. I will write minus 3 whole square minus 4 times 1 times 8. Minus 3 whole square is 9. 4 times 8 is 32. We are getting minus 23. Once discriminant is negative, our solutions must be complex. So we can reject. So I can write our final solutions. X will be equal to 1, x will be equal to minus 3, x will be equal to cube root of 31. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.